How to log into GSK Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into GSK Career. Login in GSK Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer, visit GSK Career, type GSK Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the GSK Career homepage, click on apply. This is typically located at down right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter a email address and your password. Input the email address associated with your GSK Career account in the designated field. Then enter your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password. And if you haven't created an account yet, click on create account. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credentials you provide are correct, you will be logged into GSK Career account. You should now have access to your account dashboard where you can view job openings, update your profile, and perform other relevant action. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.